Hello students, in this video we are going to understand the concept of business, right? Business is a word, as you can see on the screen, that business is the word which is derived from the word busy, right? Busy in which sort of activities? In some sort of activities which are economic in nature. Basically, business is an activity in which our purpose is to gain monetary units, right? So when we are performing any activity to earn money, when we are performing any activity to gain monetary units, this is business, right? Here we can see the definition of business. It is a human activity. We know it is performed by the human being. Business is a human activity which involve production, which involve manufacturing, which involve buying and selling of goods and services. So this is business. Now the characteristics of business. This is very important. The characteristics of business. The very first characteristic, the special feature of a business is that it is an economic activity. What is the meaning of an economic activity? Economic activities are those activities which are performed for the purpose of earning money, right? So business is also an economic activity because business activities are performed to earn the money, to earn the profit, right? So the very first feature of the business is it is an economic activity. The second characteristic of business is production and procurement of goods and services. In this characteristic, it is said that business houses deal in production, deal in manufacturing, deal in distribution of goods and services. बेसिकली व्हाट हैपन इन अ बिजनेस, हम क्या करते हैं बिजनेस में? प्रोडक्शन करते हैं, सामान को बनाते हैं और उसके बाद उसको मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं और उसके बाद उसको सेल करते हैं. अब कोई भी एग्जांपल ले लीजिए, किसी भी ब्रांड का एग्जांपल ले लीजिए. वी कैन टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ एनी ऑफ द ब्रांड. जैसे हिंदुस्तान लीवर का हम एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का काम करते हैं, जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का काम करते हैं. दे आर प्रोड्यूसिंग वेरियस प्रोडक्ट्स एंड दे आर engaged in production, they are engaged in procurement of goods and services. So we can say that they are doing business. So this is the another characteristic of business. Then the next characteristic of business is that there is a sale and exchange of goods and services in a business. This is very important characteristic. No matter I am producing goods and services, but if I am not selling those goods and services, I am not exchanging those goods and services for money, this cannot be termed as business. राइट तो कोई भी ऐसी एक्टिविटी जिसमें प्रोडक्शन हो रही है, प्रोडक्शन होने के बाद सेल्स अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हैं तो इट कुड नॉट बी टर्म्ड एज बिजनेस, राइट. Then the next characteristic is that dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. This characteristic simply means कि अगर हम goods and services को produce कर रहे हैं, sale कर रहे हैं, तो this activity has to place on a regular basis. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हमने आज प्रोडक्शन करी, आज सेल करा, उसके कुछ दिन तक हमने कोई सेल नहीं करी, कोई प्रोडक्शन नहीं करा और हम रुक गए. नहीं, अगर आप बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू डील इन गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज ऑन अ वेरी रेगुलर बेसिस, राइट. Then the next characteristic of business is that profit earning. We all know we are doing business for the motive of earning money, for the motive of earning profit. We are not giving any social services while performing business. हम फ्री में कोई काम नहीं करेंगे बिजनेस में. तो ये एक बिजनेस का बहुत बड़ा फीचर है कि जब हम बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो द मोटिव ऑफ डूइंग एनी बिजनेस एक्टिविटी इज टू अर्न प्रॉफिट, राइट. Then the next characteristic of business is there is uncertainty of return. We are making investment, हमने पैसा लगाया, हम बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, तो बिना रिटर्न के हम बिजनेस नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम अगर पैसा लगा रहे हैं तो बेसिकली we need something in return, we need profits, right? But there is uncertainty of return. No one knows how much profit we are going to earn in the future. Return in a business is very, very uncertain. Where there is a business, there will be uncertainty, right? So there is uncertainty of business, or uncertainty of return is the integral part of the business. No business can be there without uncertainty factor, without uncertainty of return, right? Then the next and last characteristic of business is there is an element of risk as well. Risk and return. Risk and uncertainty of return. These are the two integral part of the business, right? It is very mandatory for every business to plan for the uncertainties, right? Because we are doing business in a future, for the future, and future में कोई risk हो सकता है. So basically what business do, business anticipate those risks and business basically formulate plans accordingly. So प्लान बनाकर, प्लानिंग के साथ बिजनेस करके रिस्क और अनसर्टेनिटी को कम किया जा सकता है. ठीक है, पूरी तरह से इरेडिकेट नहीं किया जा सकता, खत्म नहीं किया जा सकता. सो वी आर डन विद द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ बिजनेस. So let's revise. The very first characteristic is business is an economic activity. Second, there is a production or procurement of goods and services. Third one is sale of exchange sale or exchange of goods and services. Next one is dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Then we have profit earning, there is uncertainty of return, and of course there is an element of risk. Thank you.